The Victorian government says it's too early to speculate whether the 7-day lockdown will be extended. 5 new COVID cases were detected in Melbourne yesterday, and a school has been linked to the Whittlesea outbreak.
Empty streets, quiet shops, record testing and vaccinations. All signs Victorians are doing their bit.
I'm pleased to confirm that of those 3,000 primary close contacts, 62% have already returned a negative test. As at last night, it's really encouraging to see the number of people clearly who are coming forward for testing in the wider community, but particularly those who, of course, are coming forward from the exposure sites and in the primary close contact field.
Over 56,000 tests on Friday as the state contends with a huge amount of exposure sites. That's expanded to Mount Ridley College in Craigieburn.
There's no cause to panic. The school have really good records and the school leadership are working closely both with the Education Department and the Health Department.
The student who attends the school is linked to case 16, who worked as a food delivery driver while contagious with the virus.
People variously in Epping, Wollert, Dandenong, Craigieburn and a number of other related suburbs will be receiving text messages today advising them to do precisely that, to check the website, to check if you are caught by the Tier 1 exposure requirements.
Experts are warning a spike in cases may be coming as the incubation period for close contacts ends, but any thought of extending the lockdown is premature.
It's a 7-day circuit breaker shutdown. And what we've been clear and upfront on every day is each day we review based on the intelligence and the material that we've got before us. And it's too early to make that announcement. Today is the second day of 7 days.
Vaccine centres are overflowing. Hundreds of people lining up. Some walk-ups were able to have their shot.
I think we've been conscious about the slowness of the vaccine rollout across the country and particularly in Victoria. And we've said, well, we'll just wait until supplies, build up a bit and we're able to have it.
Others were turned away as capacity was reached. The message from Vic Health is to be patient, maintain the rage and book yourself in. With the streets of Melbourne empty, small business will continue to feel the strain. Up to $7 billion could be lost over this 7-day lockdown. Hopefully, a relief package isn't too far away.
The government's already spent over $6 billion on business support, and as both the Ms Speculate and the Acting Premier indicated yesterday, we'll have more to say upon that in the not too distant future.
Victoria has boosted testing sites to over 200 and resources around vaccinations are also on the rise. Drew Jones, Sky News Melbourne.